Today I'm going to put 500 pepperonis on one 14-inch pizza. Why am I doing this? Well, our little YouTube channel just hit 500 subscribers. While 500 might not seem like a whole lot in the world of YouTube and social media, it's kind of a big deal for us. So seriously, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and for subscribing to this channel. Without further ado, please watch as I try to cram way too many pepperonis on one pizza. And again, thank you. In order to make this work, I had to make a few adjustments to my regular pizza dough. Today I'm using a dough that is about 55% hydration. My normal dough is 65%. This change resulted in a much heartier dough that can handle the extra toppings. After I stretch it out, I'm going to sauce it and add a little Parmesan cheese. Then I'll go ahead and par bake it for about 1.5 minutes at 500 degrees. This will allow me to top the pizza and get it back into the oven with all of the toppings. Otherwise, there is zero chance I would have been able to add this many pepperonis and then get it into the oven. The other option would have been to build it on a screen and then bake it on that. Alright, now please enjoy while I put 500 pepperonis on a pizza. Alright, I'm going to go out on a limb and say 500 pepperonis is too many pepperonis to put on a pizza. This is a little ridiculous. But, that said, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. And if you haven't, why not? Look, 500 pepperonis on a pizza. That's gold. Good stuff. This is good stuff. Hit that subscribe button, will you? Alright, I don't know how to do this, but we're going to give it a go. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, that's meaty. Very greasy. Well, I don't know if it's ever been done before, but it has now. 500 pepperoni on one pizza. Thanks, guys. Also, if you found any value at all in this video, why not hit subscribe?